3 liters of natural juice from 1 orange. You can do it yourself at home. We take 1 orange, cut it into little bits and pieces. Not too big, so they'll fit. And we'll do the same thing with the second part. These pieces will be that's enough. It all depends on the size of your blender. Put the orange in the blender, close it up and start whipping. Until smooth. Whipped until smooth. Masses of juice, remove the blade, and juice. 2 liters of boiled water. Of water that's cooled down. Our juice goes into a jar. Add 4 spoonfuls of sugar. Stir. 30 minutes of infusion and we get 3 liters. Natural juice from 1 orange. Take note, subscribe, I have a lot of great ideas. Cut the can with scissors and you'll be considered a genius. Don't be in a hurry to throw away to the trash your old scissors every month, like you're doing right now. We bought scissors over time, they stopped to just cut up, or they cut it open like this. 2 sharpened scissors at home conditions are actually very simple, and it can be done absolutely everyone. We're gonna need the simplest a regular glass jar with a move like this. Here we go, like we're cutting her up. Not too much pressure, 10, 15 movements, should be smooth. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After that, we're gonna need the most common plain foil. We roll it up like this, so that we can have about 8 to 10 layers. 5 or 6 more times, in order to bring our scissors to the final sharpening. After that, we're gonna take the package and we're already checking it out. It cuts just perfectly, like the scissors were store-bought. Take note. How to preserve greens, dill, parsley, zebula, so that for a month, she'll be stayed just as delicious, like we just ripped it off from the garden. You can have water, pour water into a jar, and to put our greens in a jar. This way the greens will last about a week. If you put it in the refrigerator, she'll keep 2. The coolest way to do it to make a home greenhouse. Whatever you need. The jar is small in size. Pour half the water. Put it in the lid. Then we get a bigger jar. And just like that from the top, we put a jar on our greens of a larger size. It's all done, very simple and effective. Lift, screw the lid on from underneath, and we get a natural home greenhouse. This way the greens are stored for up to 6 months. Take note, like, subscribe. I have thousands of great ideas. Amazing advice with the usual with wine corks. The Italians never they throw it away, they collect it. After that, we're gonna drop off in a jar. That's the way it is, tamp it down tightly. It will be indispensable barbecue thing. We take regular sunflower oil and fill the plugs. After the fact, like traffic jams, we're completely flooded for a week, we leave ours the corks to infuse. A week from now, our supers the barbecue corks are ready, now we're just taking the cork and pull it out. Now to fire up the barbecue, in order to make it won't be a problem, take a lighter, burning our oil the cork, just like this, for literally 5 to 10 seconds, she flares up immediately. Its advantage is it doesn't fade, even if it's raining, burns just perfectly. Be sure to take like, sign up. I have thousands of great ideas. Charging around in a circle like this, in a way that makes it impossible. Don't be in a hurry to get scissors and cut the wire. An easy way to charge her cord, and then this to start wrapping the cord around the mug. Doing everything, just take your time. Motivated until then, until we have small end. We take the end of the wire, wired from the back the side of the mug, just like this. And now we have 2 ends on this side of the mug. The rest of the cable that we've been winding up, we take it off the mug here. That's how we start for the cable, just a little bit at a time. Pull out. The cable comes out easily. We didn't have to cut the cable with scissors, and accordingly to buy a new charger. The best way, if your charger is stuck, to get it out without damaging it. Take note. Like, subscribe. I have thousands of cool ideas. Put duct tape on your leg, and you'll get rid of the problem, once and for all. We take the most ordinary duct tape. It's been tried and tested for years, working on the outside this way from the bones are starting to wrap scotch. Tape up to the knee is not in a hurry like this. This is how we wind knee-high. That's the method used from our grandmothers. Scotch, so it's easy to tear off. Connecting and tear it off neatly. He's having a quiet time. And we have the perfect protection against ticks and insects. Now we can safely to go for walks in the woods. Take note, like, subscribe.